Hello, here's a story for everybody to listen to. Autumn leaves swirled in the air. Grumble the bear padded through the forest. His fur was thick and golden and brown. He yawned a long, sleepy yawn. Winter was coming. Grumble needed his sleeping cave. But the cave was across the river. The river rushed and it foamed. It roared louder than thunder. Grumble's paws trembled on the rocks. He whispered, "It's too scary." From the trees hopped Luma, the raven. Her feathers shimmered midnight blue. "Grumble," she croaked gently. "Your cave is waiting, you can do this." Grumble sighed. He stared at the churning water. Maybe, but not alone. But how would Grumble cross the river? Let's find out. Luma flapped close to the river. She pointed with her wing. "Step on the flat stones. One paw at a time." Grumble nodded slowly. He placed one heavy paw. Splash, the river sprayed his fur. His heart beat fast. "Keep going," called Luma. "You're strong as the mountain." Grumble took another step. And another. The water pulled and tugged. His paws held steady. At last, thump, he landed on the far bank. Grumble shook his wet fur. He laughed a rumbling laugh. "I did it!" Luma cawed happily. Grumble's cave was warm and near. The forest grew quiet. Grumble felt safe at last. "Thank you, Luma," he rumbled. "Goodbye, wake me up when the berries are ripe." The end.